Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm trying Clip Studio Paint for the very first time. And wow, this program has a lot of tools. If you're a beginner, it can feel really confusing at first because there are so many options everywhere. What I'm going to draw. For this video, I'm going to make a quick sketch of my character. Nothing too fancy, just something simple so I can test how the program feels. Tools. I'll be using a normal pencil brush, because I wanted to start with something basic while I get used to the interface. Difficulties. I have to admit, some things were really hard to figure out. Creating certain elements, adjusting settings, or even finding the right tools wasn't easy at all for a first-time user. Canvas recording feature. But there's something I really like. Clip Studio has an option to record the canvas automatically. I think that's super helpful for artists who want to show their drawing process. At the end of the video, I'll leave only the recording so you can see how it looks. Recommendation. Honestly, I don't really recommend Clip Studio for beginners. It's a powerful app, but it's definitely more friendly for people who already have experience with digital art. If you're just starting, you might get overwhelmed. Question/call to action. Before I end the video, would you like to see the finished drawing, but made in Paint Tool Sai, which is the program I usually use? I actually think Paint Tool Sai is much better for beginners, so if you're new to digital art, I definitely recommend starting there. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.